Okay, this is at least interesting and maybe a little concerning for some. So I guess Google was granted a patent about a month ago. And from what I've seen, the patent allows Google to replace your landing page with an AI generated page. And like, I didn't read through the whole thing because it's extremely long and I just didn't read through it. But basically, if someone goes and does a Google search and your page ends up in the search results, Google can have some kind of rating system behind the scenes. And if someone clicks on your page and your page doesn't rate high enough in their rating system, instead of that person seeing your page, they could see a page that Google systems generate via AI. This is crazy. So this is just, there aren't that many articles about this right now. Let me go. This is actually the Google patents page. This is the patent number. And they applied for it in January of 2025. It was granted January 2026. It's anticipated to expire in January 2045, so they're going to have this for a while. I mean, this is really long, so I mean, I'm not sure how interested you may be in reading through all of this, but I mean, all the details are in here. But yeah, I mean, I don't, like I said, I don't really know what to think about this yet. Like this, if you can just have your page replaced by an AI generated version, what's the value of you having your page? I don't know. This is obviously very new and it's just a patent. They haven't, to my knowledge, implemented anything yet. But the fact that they have a patent means that they can implement something like this. And I don't know. I guess this is something to look out for. So if you are interested in this, and if you have any kind of landing page or anything, I think you might be interested in this. Again, this is the patent number. All the details are in here. If you don't want to look at it through Google Patents, you can just search the patent number and look at it somewhere else. But I mean, this is the official documentation. But yeah, I mean, from what I've seen in this article and some others, again, if someone does a search and your page is in the results, if your page doesn't rank high enough on a Google rating system, they could have an AI generated version of your page that ranks higher according to how they analyze things behind the scenes. As far as I've seen, none of this is implemented. It's just a patent that was granted. Generally, you get a patent because you want to implement something, but I don't know. That's really all I know about it. So if that is interesting, I guess look into that patent number and hopefully you find whatever pieces of that interest you, and we'll see you next time.